So ayan mga bossing, i-review natin si Royal Zest of Prime Monkey or their take on afternoon swim while eating a pancit canton and drinking a Royal. So yun guys, ano nga ba yung maaamoy natin sa Royal Zest ng Prime Monkey or their take on afternoon swim? Bago yan. Excuse me po. But then, Royal Zest ng Prime Monkey is a citrusy, fresh, na may pagka-sweet, tropa. It opens up with that orangey, like mandarin orange na may pagka-onting lemons and ginger. But typically, ang naaamoy natin dito is directly yung orange mismo. Kaya naman, ang pinaka-props natin ngayon is Royal kasi itong afternoon swim or yung Royal Zest ng Prime Monkey. Kaya nga pinangalanan siya Royal Zest is because Royal yung amoy niya. But then, there's one more thing that I can relate it on. One more thing is Minute Maid. Kung alam niyo yung inumin na Minute Maid, teka lang. Kung alam niyo yung inumin na Minute Maid, guys, yung orange na yun, ganun yung amoy niya, yung may orange, yung may pulp. Ano yung pulp? Yun yung laman ng orange pagkatapos mo siyang balatan. Ganun yung amoy niya itong Royal Zest ng Prime Monkey. It's a royal, orange, creamy blossom, and very citrus, fresh fragrance. Excuse me po. But then, in terms of performance, this fragrance is really, really good. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong fragrance na to. And if you ask me, bias ko siya sa Prime Monkey. As of right now, siya yung pinaka-top 1 ko. Performance-wise, I get around 5 hours of longevity. 4 to 5 hours. Guys, disclaimer, at saka lagi ko na itong sinasabi, hindi long-lasting si Afternoon Swim. Okay? Hindi siya long-lasting. And then, but, yung performance niya sobrang solid. You get a good projection for the first 2 hours. 2 hours na talaga sumasayaw and very, very good siraj. Talaga sumasayaw yung amoy sa paligid. Kahit maglakad ka, kahit gumalaw ka, talaga namang maaamoy ka kapag afternoon swim yung suot mo, bro. Next, ngayon, longevity. As I've said a while ago, 4 to 5 hours ang kanyang maximum longevity. But then, body chemistry-wise, pwede ka pa rin makakuha ng mas matagal dito. Actually, may kakilala ko na nakakuha ng 7 hours of longevity. But then, hindi ko sasabihin na 7 hours of longevity nito kasi that's highball. No? Para sa akin, to give the benefit of the doubt, I'll give this 4 to 5 hours of longevity kasi yun yung nakuha ko. Okay? So, based on my experience, 4 to 5 hours of longevity na nakuha ko. Pero, malay nyo naman, maganda yung body chemistry nyo at makakakuha kayo ng mas maganda pang longevity. So, kaya naman huwag kayo mag-rely sa akin. Pero kung ano yung amoy nito, sobrang solid. I can promise you, sobrang tinataya ko yung buhay ko sa amoy nito, Royal Zest ng Prime Monkey. Napakabango niya, bro. One of the best, if not the best. Natalo niya pa yung Middle Eastern dupe na Privé Couture Collection ng Afternoon Swim, bro. Men, eto, Royal Zest ng Prime Monkey, sobrang solid. Izaz, but then pag binaligtad mo, Izaz, then Royal Zest. So yun lang mga bossing, eto, Royal Zest ng Prime Monkey is priced around 800 to 850 pesos. Bakit? Kasi actually, this is inspired by LV Afternoon Swim na talaga namang napakamahal. Nag-range siya from around 20,000, no? Kaya naman, magtaka ka kung bakit napakamahal nito at 800 lang naman siya as an inspired perfume na talaga sobrang solid perfume version. So yun, but if you tune in on my live, makakakuha ka pa rin ng discount. Solid discount, 10 to 20% vouchers, kaya naman napaka-solid. May mga nakakakuha dito ng 600, 700, kaya naman super solid. Kailan ang restock nito? March 29. Tapos, kaya naman, hintayin mo na kasi kapag nag-restock to, tropa, higupan na naman. Hihigupin na naman to. Let's go! Fry Monkey, After the Swim, Royal Zest. Let's go!